Hello guys, it's Mead here. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your disapproved products on Google Merchant Center. So you can see here, I'm inside of Google Merchant Center currently, and where you want to navigate to is, if you're at the overview section, you want to head to products, drop that down, and then go to Diagnostics. That's going to help you understand what is going wrong with your products. You can see I've got 26 active items and 6 disapproved items. If I select the disapproved items, I can scroll down and then find out what the issues are. So you can see I have got a few problems. One, currency must be the same regardless of sale location. Now what that means is that regardless of whether my store is selling stuff from China or Australia, I need to make sure all my currencies are in Australian dollars or Chinese dollars. Another simple one down here is missing value price. You can see that's just saying I don't have a price on the website, or I'm missing an input value. If you hover over this, you can get a bit more information about the topic. I don't actually understand what this means, so I can hover over it and it says submit a value based on Google's product data specification, and then you can learn more to follow up with the issue that you have. Now, to go a bit further, you can start clicking through here and go and have a look at the examples of what is missing prices. So then you can start to find what products aren't working. And you can see these 5 here are missing prices. So that's how you quick and easily fix missing prices and diagnose issues with Google Merchant Center if your products aren't displaying. I hope this helps, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Keep well. Ciao, ciao.